Chat marketing is more of a inbound marketing machine, meaning that you provide value. Phones are not really for phone calls anymore. They're more for engagement on chat marketing platforms. If you have not heard about what ManyChat is, then you probably have not heard about my content much, because I talk about ManyChat a lot. We are the top performing ManyChat agency. We have built the most powerful bot in the world, and we have the evidence to show you about that. We have the awards and we have the accolades, and we've done a lot of great stuff. We have walked the talk in ManyChat. I can tell you right now that ManyChat is one of those great opportunities. As you may or may not know, depending on how many of my videos you have seen, I don't talk about things that I have not done myself. I don't talk about strategy that I haven't proven to be successful. Whatever I talk to you about has been walked and has been implemented, and I have seen results with the implementation of the strategies that I'm talking about. For example, ManyChat is a platform that we've used from the early stages of the development of the platform, that when nobody knew what chat marketing was, when nobody knew that there was such a thing as Facebook Messenger marketing, when nobody even understood that Messenger was being utilized by businesses to generate sales, revenue, leads, and all that good stuff that we all need as businesses to continue moving forward. Well, I was already jumping on that particular opportunity, which I believe is one of the important qualities of a good marketer or a good business owner, is being able to recognize opportunities, not make opportunities, recognize them and jump all over them. I'm not trying to make waves, I'm trying to ride them along the way. And these waves in this environment, they come and go, and they come and go really, really fast. So you have to jump on them. You got to ride them as hard as you can. You got to leverage them to get as much value as possible from that opportunity. And then you got to move on to the next one fast, as soon as that one stops being an opportunity. In 2020, there were many changes that happened with chat marketing. Facebook Messenger made a lot of changes, and they adjusted a lot of rules to try to avoid becoming the next email marketing platform. They did not want to become recognized as a spam engine. They did not want to be another email marketing. They wanted to be something different. Chat marketing is more of a communication platform to provide value, engage, and interact. It's not a direct sales marketing machine. Chat marketing is more of a inbound marketing machine, meaning that you provide value, you educate, you inspire, you entertain, you connect with people, you give superior value and service, and that marketing comes back to you. People reach out to you, they buy your stuff many times without you even having to ask for the sale. And that's the 2021 opportunity. Chat marketing gives that opportunity for you to be able to connect with people, because you also got to recognize that the world has changed dramatically in how we operate. That the cell phones are not even being utilized as a phone calling device as much as they used to, not even close. Right now, softwares have updated. For example, the iOS device on an iPhone, when one of the recent updates, iOS 14, whenever somebody receives a phone call, that phone call happens on the back of that phone. It doesn't even interrupt what you're doing. If you have an iPhone, which 50% of you guys out there do, especially in the US, you know what I'm talking about. You can be on your email, you can be on your text, on Messenger, you can be on any of these apps, on Facebook, and that phone call that comes in from anybody, doesn't matter if it's your wife, your husband, your employee, your employers, no matter who it is, it goes on the background of whatever you're trying to do. And that's just the way it is. So you can actually decline it or answer it, but it doesn't interrupt what you're doing, which means that things have changed dramatically. Phones are not really for phone calls anymore. They're more for engagement on chat marketing platforms. They're more for social media profiles and engagement on these social profiles, for email, and for visual communication and utilizing your fingers with it. That's what phones have become over the years. They are data-driven right now.